This is the SABRE Home Defense Projectile Launcher. One of the things I really like about this product is the fact that the CO2 cartridge is built into the magazine. So that's going to allow you to switch from magazine to magazine when reloading much faster than the other launchers on the market. Most of the other launchers have a CO2 cartridge placed under the barrel, and it can take upwards to a minute to replace that CO2 cartridge, taking it in and out of the launcher. With this, you don't need to worry about that because it goes right into the magazine, and when you're done deploying the 7 projectiles, again, this has 40% more stopping power because it has 7 projectiles. Most launchers only have 5, so more stopping power, and it's much faster to reload when facing multiple intruders. Deploy your 7 projectiles, little hiss sound, that's normal. It's a little CO2 coming out of the launcher. It's designed to do that. Take another magazine, you're ready to go. Another 7 projectiles you deploy. If you need to reload, grab another magazine, and you're ready to go. And basically allows you to protect yourself against multiple threats, move from magazine to magazine much faster, and not have to take upwards to a minute to put a new CO2 cartridge into your launcher. You don't have that kind of time when trying to protect yourself and your family against multiple intruders. A big advantage of the SABRE Home Defense Pepper Projectile or Impact Projectile Launcher.